beautiful people. Easier one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you, my darling people. Today's topic now about this matter will be say the app for France. Now it make me I want talk today, like the thing that the many complain for that France there, the way girls still they behave there, like the thing they really shockalize me, like seriously. I no understand. Like what he did this document, so what he did document we be say our people just they use and they prepare our men for that France there. What he did this document, like the thing they shockalize me really. The way our people say they carry this document matter, it go be like say another person no go get am again. Wetin dey document, wetin dey. Why it be say our girls, if men, if una don born children wey una want finish, una don born like 3 children or 4 children, you can't tell the man say not be am again, say you don't want again, or because of say the document you don't want give am. Why una they behave like that? And they always they watch this Yore one of Paris, and they see many complain for there will be say many men they come they complain wetin their women they do them, like many complain. I get friends where they tell me too for that side. Why una they behave like this? Why France women them? I know say in dey Europe many places, so even Germany women dey here, many women they do am. Why it be say una go get document? If man marry una don born like 3 children finish or 4. Because yes, they say na 3 children that they born for that France there. Because if you born 2, they don't pay you. You get where you go reach, they don't pay you again. But if not 3, they'll continue to they pay you, they go. Okay, wetin dey this single una they enjoy am before. And if you say na rumor, say no, you know, like say na rumor, like wetin people they talk na lie. But now I can't read the see and say the thing not be lie. Before I never say na rumor, say they just they talk. This thing don't they too much now. I don't understand. Like I not like the thing they shockalize me really. Why it be say France people now they talk to so France women then? Why una not they like to give una men documents? Why una they always they use documents they prepare them? Why you go want drive good man come up for your life because of documents? You go want drive better man where God give you, where you supposed they with they happy. Why you want drive come up for body? So you just like suffer. Una know the happiness where they say your man go see carry your pikin, carry go school. Wetin dey this document where you don't want to give this man? Wetin dey document? You want lose your marriage because of documents? Because of documents where you want give her, you dey fear say if you give her, it go wrong. Because of that one, you know, want give your husband documents. Wetin dey this document? Wetin dey this document? France women there. Why una they always use document they prepare una husband? Why? I know say some men not good, but let the conscience the judge and they go. If now that document you come from, let the conscience, if you don't collect and you go, let and go. Let the conscience the judge am. Wetin dey this document where una they carry like say tomorrow no day. Una go follow the finish. Una know the funny part be say those women after they don't born 3 children finish. They don't born all the children where they want born finish. They'll come they find out they want to drive the man come up for body. Why una they always they do this to France women then? In fact, Europe women then. Why una they always they do this thing? Wetin dey document when you want to give your partner? Wetin dey document when you want to give your husband? Because of documents, una go dey drive men for outside. Because of documents, una go dey drive una husband. Drive good man where God give you because you don't want to give a document. Wetin dey document? Wetin dey you carry documents come for heaven? You carry document come for heaven. You be even expect say you go get document as God do and say you get, and wetin dey document. Wetin dey document France women dem. Some of una o. E get one time wey I watch one live video. When one man cry out say, this woman na your follower, abeg, help me beg am. I don't know wetin I do am. Now she dey work in the stay house. Help me beg am. You no wan give me document. Whether na because of wetin I first do before I don beg am. In dey carry pikin go school, in dey do everything as a husband. But you dey say no, dey give am document. He say make they beg and make him dey go the work, make the woman dey there. Is it as even for the live, they say he lay down for the woman front. The same France, that this one for still happen. He say he lay down, they beg and make they help and beg am, make he give am document because he go fit give am. The woman no want give am because I know as it, we don't know why. Like France women, why una they always do this thing? Especially that France. Many things where they happen for that France, the thing they tire me. Wetin dey document una no wan give una husband. Wetin dey document. I want know. I want know because more than help me share this video. More than make sure say this video go viral. More than make sure say France women see am. This thing is getting too much. France women them. Wetin make una no dey wan give una husband document. If una don't get the document finished, una dey find how una want to drive them. Go. Wetin make una no dey wan give them documents? Eh? Go. Wetin make una no dey wan give them? Wetin dey document wey you no wan give your husband? Wait. I'm doing video. Wetin make una no dey wan give them? Wetin dey document wey you no wan give your husband? Eh? The way una take dey carry this thing, the thing dey shocktalize me. The thing dey tire me really. My people, this one, like many people don't complain. Like maybe say this video I must do one. Many men is dying in silence for that France there. Many men is dying in silence. Many men they cry for inside body. The way they are woman till they treat them for that France there. Especially when they don't born 3 children finish, you come they find I want to drive the man come up for house. Why una be like that? Why una they always they do this thing? It not good. It not good. France women them now they talk to so. Some of una, why una they do am? You dey fear say if you give am, it go wrong. You dey fear say if you give am, e no go stay with you. Let your conscience dey judge am dey go. Some men still dey they go still get document to give their woman. It go be problem. It go say I suffer put. And so that make you not go want give your woman documents. Eh? The thing don't tire me. Like I don't to hear many stories. Now say no. I must come do this topic today. Mona give una husband documents. Wetin dey documents. Nothing. Give am. Make it a work. Give am. As you dey social, you like am. As they control you up and down, you like am. Why you don't give your husband? Make you still get documents. Till they work. Till they bring money come home. Give your husband document. Nothing dey. The way una they take this thing not good for una again. France women them. I beg my Italy people. Anybody who see this video, help me share and make it go viral. Make France women them. Make people make them see what they do their men for that side. It not good. Give your husband documents. God will still bless you and bless your household. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Anything you think about this video, you can leave your comment for the comment section. This video is a peaceful video. I want to make everybody learn from his side. May we learn from our mistake. Because with the things what they do na good thing. So that may we learn from his side. I beg. This thing don't too much. Our man is dying in silence. Woman go get documents and not want to give your husband. You go make the man they turn to move for house because they don't want to give him paper. Because they fear say go run leave him. I beg. Give your husband documents. Thank you, everybody. Take care. Bye. Share this video and let the video go viral. Always put thumbs up anytime you watch my video. Bye.